Today, we're analyzing Roku, a pioneer in the streaming industry. Roku provides a platform connecting users, advertisers, and content providers. While they're best known for their streaming devices, Roku's main revenue driver is their platform segment, which includes advertising and subscription revenue. Roku's stock symbol is Roku, and it's listed on the NASDAQ. Roku's key strength lies in its agnostic approach to content. It hosts a vast array of streaming services, making it a one-stop shop for consumers. Roku's user-friendly interface and advanced search capabilities enhance user experience. Additionally, Roku's advertising platform offers targeted ads, which is a significant revenue source. Lastly, it has an extensive range of products from budget to high-end, catering to all consumer segments. The pricing of Roku's products varies. Their streaming devices range from $30 for the Roku Express to $100 for the Roku Ultra. However, the device itself isn't where Roku makes most of its money. The real revenue generator is the platform segment. Advertisers pay to reach Roku's millions of active users, and Roku also gets a share of subscription fees from certain channels. Roku is ideal for cord cutters looking for a cost-effective way to access numerous streaming services. It's also beneficial for advertisers wanting targeted reach, thanks to Roku's data-driven ad platform. Additionally, content providers can leverage Roku's extensive user base to increase their visibility and revenue. Roku's advantages include its platform neutrality, providing access to virtually all streaming services. Its user-friendly interface appeals to a broad demographic. The ad platform allows for targeted advertising, making it attractive to businesses. Moreover, its varying price points cater to different consumer segments, broadening its market reach. On the downside, Roku faces intense competition from tech giants like Amazon and Google. Any changes in their strategies could impact Roku's market share. Additionally, Roku's revenue model is dependent on advertising and subscription revenue, making it susceptible to shifts in ad spending and cord-cutting trends. Roku has carved a niche for itself in the streaming industry with its neutral platform and user-friendly products. Its revenue model, though reliant on advertising and subscriptions, has proven successful so far. However, competition and changing industry trends pose potential risks. In conclusion, Roku's strengths lie in its platform neutrality and advanced ad platform. It's well positioned in the streaming industry, but competition and reliance on ad revenue pose challenges. As always, conduct your own due diligence before investing. Thank you for watching. If you found this analysis helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more stock analyses.